What could be better than sinking your teeth in a chocolate-rich cookie followed by a glass of chilled milk? The rich aroma of my chewy baked cookies not only tickles your senses but replenishes your lost glucose as well. Take a large bowl of about 1.5 to 2 liter capacity. Put softened butter or butter kept at room temperature for a while. Add brown and white sugar. Combine these ingredients at least for a minute. This process is also known as creaming. Now add an egg to this sugar butter mixture. Stir and mix. Scrape the sides of the bowl with spatula and keep mixing till even consistency is achieved. Once all these ingredients are fully combined, add flour, salt and baking soda. Keep mixing and folding. Drop in vanilla extract. Stir again with the spatula to combine all these ingredients. So now comes the rock star, the chocolate chunks. Take a bar of dark chocolate and chop it into fine bits and some into larger chunks. Now this is one of the most satisfying process and I enjoy it thoroughly. These chocolate bits are bound to lift the mood wherever they set their foot in. Add in these chocolate chunks to the cookie mixture and I have also added some chocolate chips along with chunks. Again stir and combine. So the cookie dough is ready. It needs to be chilled at least for 2 to 3 hours. When we bake cookies from cold, it gives us crisp edges and a gooey center. Also, your cookies will spread less and you won't get flat cookies. However, I chill the dough overnight as it concentrates the flavor. Now scoop out the cookie dough of 70 grams to 80 grams each by weighing it on a weighing scale. Roll it into round balls. Do not flatten them. Line the baking tray with butter paper. Keep the rolled balls on it, leaving ample space between them. Bake these cookies at 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes or until they turn golden brown. The center part may seem slightly soft and doughy, but that's fine. Don't overbake them. Let them cool for 5 minutes. Transfer these cookies on wire rack. This prevents the cookies from getting soggy. The batch of cookies is ready. Watch this. Shiny, soft chocolate inside and the chewy layer outside. This is what makes it a perfect batch. These are just guidelines. The real magic lies in your hands. Once you finish making this, do share a pic and your experience as well. This is Sabah signing off. See you next time. Allah.